Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to forward a single email in Gmail. This is incredibly useful when you need to share important information, pass along a message to a colleague, or loop someone into an ongoing conversation without having to retype everything manually. First, open your web browser and navigate to mail.google.com. Once you're there, sign in to your Gmail account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage multiple email addresses, as this ensures the forwarded message comes from the right inbox. Now, locate the email you want to forward from your inbox and click on it to open the full message. This step is important because you need to see the complete email content before forwarding it, including any attachments or important details that might be included. Next, scroll down below the email content and look for the forward button, which appears as an arrow pointing to the right. Click on this button to initiate the forwarding process. Alternatively, if you don't see the forward button right away, click the three dots in the top right corner of the email. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there you can select Forward. Both methods work equally well, so use whichever feels more comfortable for you. A new message window will pop up on your screen. In the To field at the top, type the email address of the recipient you want to forward the message to. If you'd like to add your own context or explanation, you can type a message above the forwarded email content. This is optional but often helpful for giving the recipient some background on why you're forwarding it. Before hitting send, take a moment to review the email. Make sure any attachments you want included are still there, as sometimes certain file types need to be manually added. Once everything looks good, click the blue send button at the bottom of the window. To confirm your email was successfully forwarded, watch for the confirmation notification that briefly appears at the bottom of your screen, or check your sent folder to verify it went through. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.